We would like to thank you. Very happy this year to participate.
And I hope to be here next year again.
I can say that is perfect.
Turkey Yachtmasters and Crew Association, 5th International Yachting Sector.
Türkiye Yat Kaplanları Derneği fuarında
Sizleri ağırlamaktan çok keyif duyduk.
Bundan gerçekten gurur duyuyoruz.
Her şey geçen seneye nazaran çok daha güzel.
Very well organized event. This time even better than the first one.
Everything works fine. We're hoping to make new friends here, to start new business.
Je suis Olivia Gordon-Bourcard et je suis la directrice commerciale et marketing du Port Vauban à Antibes.
For sure, the next time you will have more people from Greece.
Very often cooperation with Turkish captains. Thank you for the excellent organization, the event.